So here I was thinking today was going to be a good day. Well, it is. Every day's a good day and the sun's shining, so that's awesome. But our screening plant, I'll insert video from Instagram here. Fuel line last night, the injector line blew on us, so we put a temporary bond material on it, and it decided to last maybe half an hour this morning. So I made the call. We're getting the Warrior in here. Enough of this messing around stuff. Warrior is en route, hopefully soon. We're gonna call a float right now, hopefully pick it up. It's here within the next 2 hours. We're fired up, we're screening, but right now we're down and there's people that need soil, so we're gonna have to figure something out.
That was Mozart.
Yeah. Snared ass. All right, time for Billy Big Rig to back up. That's me, I'm Billy Big Rig. All right, doing a little Elgin bed down here. Got some styrofoam for the force main out here. So we got our D-box here in the center, and it's a split bed. So you got everything, basically, we put it in a tank. Stuff goes from that 3 lids over there by them lads, comes out here, runs up the line, in, goes to the dispersal tank, then that disperses it to, there's a run underneath him, there's a run here, there, and there. So she's a pretty slick little system, and these Elgins, they make quick time. I think we've been here about 3 days, in and out. We'll be finished up today. I'm hauling in septic sand in the triaxle, that's what this is. You got Elgin sand below that, different kind of sand, and then they're gonna push this topsoil on, and we'll probably top it up with 1 or 2 loads of our beauty topsoil, and we'll be good to go. I still amazed on how awesome this tool works. So we finally, it's a beautiful Friday. I'm all dressed up in Friday wear, but we finally wrapped up this job, and this is the end of it. I want to show you guys how awesome. So we roughed all this in with the dozer, and now we're giving it the final grade, fluffing it all up so it's not hard packed. Wow, this thing eats that dirt. And then you'll see at the end how it kind of collects rocks. And you know, those big chunks you see it kind of hopping, those are just rocks that are hitting it. It doesn't stop the drum. We haven't broke any teeth. So you can see here at the very end, that's all the rocks that would have been collected from all there. So that's one thing that's handy about the power rig, is that it also takes all the rocks. So at the very end, he's just gonna take his bucket and then get rid of and discard this windrow along this whole edge of rocks, and you're left with beautiful level topsoil that's fluffy. This thing's handy. I hate to say like we show it so much, but like it's such a great machine. Pays for itself. Oh.
No sleeping, you're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. I'm the
Today is the day. There she is. 2 hours after I reached out to Powerscreen saying I needed a brand new Warrior. Shout out Peter, you guys will see him, the crazy Irishman. Actually an Irish company. Major shout out to Powerscreen. You guys know that I love them. Best screeners, best service. These guys are awesome. Look at this freaking beast, dude. Brand new unit. I think it's kind of the same as last year. I'll get Peter to kind of go over and say what's new about this machine. Out with the old, in with the new. The beast walks. Look at that brand new unit. He's gonna run into the back of his truck. Beautiful truck. Salanche. So Peter's gonna get it all folded out for us. So what they do, Peter? They change the side of where it is at now.
Yeah.
The controls.
No, the mid-size and the fines conveyor is the other way around, so it's easier for you to feed.
Oh, so they actually changed what stuff comes out where? Okay. So the controls are they're in the same spot, they changed the belts. Okay. Or like where the stuff comes out. Feeding out, moving out the belts. Peter, what belt's that?
Fines, topsoil.
Okay. Oh, yeah, because last year your 2-inch minus came out from your top from that side.
Right.
Yeah. Brand new unit. So can I put my decals on this one too? Sure. Yeah, that is awesome. Look at this beast coming down. So what he's saying is, I know you guys, just to recap, last year you loaded from the same side that your topsoil came out, and the controls were on the same side that you were loading from. So it was kind of defeated the purpose, because you would be on your ramp and having to control wherever you run the controls from your ramp, which kind of got in the way. So this year they flipped it. So they didn't necessarily move the controls. Well, I guess they did, but what they did was the topsoil now comes off where the tailings did last year. Your big tailings still come off the end right here. Anything 2-inch minus comes down the opposite side now. So that's awesome. All right, first bucket. We got everything all set up. Here it comes. There we go. So clean. That's why I love this machine. Beautiful, clean tailings. That's nice. Is it?
Shorty upgrade from baloney. too elaborate. Most of these ducks exaggerate. But I'ma get money, nigga, every day stunt, nigga. Ducks might get a chance after me. It's a bottle like I'm coming up a free throw. Let's get the head in the game, no cheat code. It's Lambo, Roscoe, no street code. Hit the booty, got me lost like Nemo. Go, 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 go on and do your dance. And I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands.
Okay, we are down here. I made a post last night on Instagram talking about how I haven't been able to really get down to any of the job sites lately because there's just so much stuff going on this year. It's super busy. That's a really good thing. So this is the first time I'm able to get down to this site here. I'm with Andrew. We just toured down here, and what we're gonna do here this morning is we gotta shoot some grades. We gotta figure out. So he dug down to a level, and we know that the house has to be a little bit lower, but the one thing we're running into is water. The water table, we gotta find it. We gotta find out where it is. I don't think it's really further down than this. So we gotta shoot where we dug, shoot the water level, and then figure out our grades.
This is where would be the garage right here.
So they're gonna have 2 entrances.
3. So 246.
Okay. What we just marked was the underside of footing. Excavator, roller, back of the dig would be here. Bringing in gravel there. Alright, man, what a crazy day today. I want to put this out there. You guys know that these sweaters, these hats, and everything like that, the link is always down below. People always ask, because even on Instagram, there's like, man, where can I get the hats? Where can I get the shirts, the sweaters, everything? Down below. All the stuff that we always wear on site is always down below in the link in the description. Today is the girlfriend's birthday. We found out actually today that we are having our baby girl next Friday at noon. She's scheduled for a C-section. As always, I love making these videos, guys. I love sitting down when I can find the time to sit down and make them with the music and everything. Everyone always asks me, just so we can put this out there. Everyone asks, how do you use this type of music that you use? I use this type of music and I make $0 on the videos. All the Google AdSense money, I do not get paid from Google anymore. It goes to the people that make the music because it's copyright music. I do that though because I really don't care about making money on YouTube. I rather make better videos and better content that other people in construction on YouTube don't necessarily have or make. And it's just kind of my style. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. It's going to be a really exciting next couple of weeks for me, especially having a baby. Really hard to kind of wrap my head around that, the fact that we're going to be having a baby. Have an awesome weekend. As always, take care.
There she goes, shaking that ass on the floor, bumping.
But of course, I didn't forget about you guys that are patrons to the channel that watch these videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below. The Beast is back. Why the Beast is back? Well, the Warrior 1800 is back. Powerscreen came through clutch. So hope you guys watch the entire video that I ran. Comment down below. The Beast is back. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.
To the beat vibrated, I was revived as soon as this bitch gyrated them hips and licked them lips, and that was it. I had to get Nate Dogg to sing some shit.
2 to the 1 from the